Hello, Gunpla Peeps. It's been a while. So, in conjunction to my last Gunpla hack, that's Gunpla hack number 6, removing yellowing from white plastic, some of you were asking if hydrogen peroxide would still be effective if it was top coated. This time around, we're going to use a higher volume hydrogen peroxide, which is 20 volumes. But first, we're going to top coat this with a flat, clear top coat from Bosley. Let's find out. After almost 12 hours of mixed weather, here's the result of our retrobrighting on a white Gunpla part with flat top coat. About 90 to 95% of yellowing was removed. I think we harvested enough ultraviolet rays to have a decent result despite of the top coat. We can also see that it removed a bit of the top coat, maybe around 10%. I'm not sure if I didn't let it cure enough, but I made sure it was dry and ready for submerging to hydrogen peroxide. But hey, we can always reapply that, right? So for those who asked about this, here's our answer. Thank you guys, and again, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Young at Soul, for more Gunpla hacks and Gunpla reviews and toy reviews. Thank you so much. Kita kits!